Once a ubiquitous fleet member, the A4 Skyhawk, with an extra seat for an instructor, is serving its last years in the Navy as a training plane.
You know, we joke and say that the most technologically advanced thing in an A4 is the digital watch you're probably wearing on your wrist. But this one is all manual. It's just you and the plane.
At their base in Meridian, 160 kilometers from any ocean, the students fly the pattern for shipboard landings almost 80 times before they ever see the ship.
Two Skyhawk ball 1.4 Sierra 70 full stop. Roger ball. Way off, Foundation. Settle.
When we get out to the ship, in theory, it's everything that we've experienced before, and you stick to the basics and it'll all work, supposedly.
I can't believe they're going to let us go. I can't believe the taxpayers are going to let us go.
On their initiation flight, the students follow their instructors out to the ship.
And then just out of the blue, you see this tremendous wake, and then at the peak of the wake is this little tiny black piece of steel, and then they tell you that's where you're going to land. And the whole time I was just shaking my head. No, sorry, I can't do it.